this is going to go on tomorrow's vlog, but I just wanted to share with you. So I don't remember, I was talking about like Quest bars or something, and Inwood Jen commented and told me that Big Lots was having a sale on Quest bars for like 85 cents. So it's like, okay, I'm going, because I thought that they were like in the food aisle. No, they're over by like the health and beauty stuff. So my Big Lots does not carry them, but they carry something better. They carry these Raw Rev Glow protein bars, which came in my keto crate crate. Now, they had two different kinds. I know this one is for net carbs, and this is the crunchy peanut butter sea salt. And I remember I really liked this. Now, they had this for $1, you guys. And then the other one that they had is the double chocolate brownie batter. This is 7 net carbs, but they're only $1. So I got 5 of them. And they also had for $1 these high performance protein cookies that are only 2 net carbs each. That's it. 2 net carbs. And they have sucralose and erythritol. They do have some maltitol. Maltitol does not bother me if it's in like low amounts. 2 net carbs per serving, 16 grams of protein. You're trying to get some protein in, that's good. And the last thing they had for $1 was this. This has 350 milligrams of caffeine, where Bangs have 300, I think. And this is called Hype. And this is 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 0 everything like that. And it is also sweetened with sucralose. So I'm excited because, yeah, you guys, how cool. So I just want to tell you, and they also had like almond flour and coconut flour for $2. $2 freaking for a big bag. It was a big bag. So now I know where I'll be getting my almond flour and coconut flour and my protein bars. Now, I still will be buying Quest bars because, to be honest, I really like the flavors that they have. And this brand only has like 2, and plus that one for 7 net carbs, that's kind of high. I mean, I could eat half of it, but I don't usually like to eat half of a bar. But the one for 4, definitely. For $1, I need to go to another Big Lots and see if they have the Quest bars, because 85 cents would save me so much money on Quest bars. To be honest, it really would. But yeah, check out Big Lots. Hey guys, happy Thursday. Hey guys, hey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I mess up my intro a lot recently. And my name is Naseen. I've got a lot of new subscribers in the past couple of days. So basically what I do is kind of like a lot of keto vlogs, what I eat in a days, grocery hauls, and recipes. You know, right now I am trying Keto Diamond's Baconator challenge. So what I have for lunch is no other than a Baconator. Now, not from Wendy's, but a homemade. 2 beef patties, 2 pieces of center cut bacon, tablespoon of mayo, a teaspoon of sugar-free ketchup, and 1 slice of sharp cheddar cheese. It is cold, so this is going to be interesting. There was a huge line at the microwaves, but that's okay. I don't mind cold. I also have this energy drink, this Hype energy drink. It was $1 at Big Lots, and it's 0 everything. It's sweetened with sucralose, so I just grabbed it. I wanted to try it out, see what it's all about. I'm also going to include, I got some good protein bars at Big Lots last night too, because apparently they have some Quest protein bars on sale for 85 cents. My Big Lots didn't have that. I will include the clip after this, but these were in a keto crate, so I know they're good. But yeah, I'm gonna watch some YouTube. I'm gonna eat this. I'm super close to being monetized, you guys. I'm like 173 hours away from being monetized, and I'm so excited. Okay, hope you guys are having the best day. I'll see you later. Holy crap, dude! that Island Punch, what is it called? Hype. This tastes like, you know those little candies, Smarties? This tastes like a Smartie. It tastes like the white Smarties. So I am on my first full day of the Baconator challenge, and with Joni. What is on my freaking cabinet? You guys, something is always, kids ain't here and there's still something on my cabinet. So for lunch, you seen I had a Baconator, and for dinner I'm having a Baconator, and I've already made my 2 patties for tomorrow for lunch. I have for dinner I have those Wahlberg burgers. I got those at Meijer a week or so ago. So I have those. I have 2 slices of bacon. Well, I'll show you. But I wanted to give a quick shout out to my kids, Corey, Tiffany, Reese, and Peyton. I talked to them yesterday and they told me that they've been watching my videos. And I just wanted to say, hi guys, I love you. I miss you so much and I can't wait to see you guys on the 4th of July weekend. I'm very, very, very excited and I love you guys so, so much. So because I know you're watching, you already know how close to being monetized I am. And earlier today, I only needed like 173 more hours. So I'm excited to check it tomorrow morning and see where I'm at. And I have all of you guys to thank, and my kids too, because they have also been watching my videos. They told me yesterday. So that makes me super excited, super happy, and just very proud and very thankful that I have you guys as friends. And you guys, it means so much to me. I mean, you guys are basically playing my videos to help me, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. That is very kind and considerate, and it means the world to me. So let me show you what I'm eating, and let me know if you guys are doing the Baconator thing too. It's a little dark in the kitchen, saving some on. I can't even talk today, you guys. A little dark in here, saving some electricity. So I'll bring it over to the table. So I have 2 of the Wahlberg patties, 2 strips of center cut thick bacon, 1 slice of extra sharp cheddar cheese. I have about an ounce of pickles, a tablespoon of mayo, about half a tablespoon, like a teaspoon of sugar-free ketchup, and then about 1.5 servings of pork rinds. So this is going to be my dinner. For lunch, all I had was the Baconator itself with the ketchup and mayo. I didn't have any pickles or pork rinds or anything like that. To be honest, I'm not even hungry right now, but I have an eating window. I'm still sticking to my intermittent fasting, so I'm going to eat because I don't want to find myself starving later outside of my eating window. It's actually 7 minutes past when I like to eat. So I'm gonna go eat this and I will catch up with you guys soon. All right, you guys, I'm just laying on the couch and I'm watching the rest of the Riverdale episodes and probably take Link for a W soon. And I got kind of a headache, and I think it's just because I'm kind of like, I need to finish drinking my Soleil water, and I've only had 2 carbs today, you guys. 2. That's super low. So usually when I eat really low carb, I get a headache, and I just need to up my sodium. So that is what I'm going to do. Finish my Soleil water, and I'm tired too. Like, look at this. I always have bags under my eyes. Always. Always. And then like sorry, my eye itched. I have this, I get an email every day from the post office about my mail, and it says that I have a package coming the 29th, I think, and it says it's from a clothing place. So I have to wonder, because that shipped place, they haven't gotten back to me at all, but they asked for my shirt size and stuff, and they said that you would be sent all that stuff, you know, if approved. So I wonder if I was approved for that, and that's what that is. I don't know. I guess I'll have to wait until the 29th and see what it is. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to close the vlog out. I'll include my macros after this. Bye.